κόκκινα φεγγάρια, Motorcycle Rock Show.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is not Multistrada. It's a bit of copy of it, and this is not bad, because if you have something beautiful, it's nice to copy it. Very safe choice, very safe choice. So this is a safe choice. A lady from Italy, made in China, Benelli, very historical brand and very important for the history of motorcycling. This is the simple version of the motorcycle. We got two wheels of 17, aluminium. Also is existing the, let's say, the adventure version of this motorcycle that has got a 17 wheel back, 19 wheel back, two pistons caliber in the brakes front. We got the exhaust that is not here and is a little bit up. Let's say this is the adventure motorcycle. Anyway, this is the street version of the motorcycle. Let's say same category with the bikes like a Yamaha Tracer. What about it? Is it a good motorcycle? Depends who you are. What we got in this motorcycle? This is a rich motorcycle. We have many very important things in this motorcycle. Of course, we don't have too many electronics, program 1, program 2 and etc. that I'm not interested in so much, but we have very important standard things. So, the windscreen is standard. It's big one and protects me a lot from the weather, from the rain and from the air. Here, those are standard and protects my lovely hands. Also, we got protection for the engine, plastic one. We got protection here, okay. We got those bars that they are standard. We got handles also for the second rider. We got a big saddle that has got very good material inside. And what else we got? We got a single stand and a double stand in this motorcycle that it's an extra. Just the double stand, it's an extra. What else we got? We got also a beautiful motorcycle. So, let's see if I am feeling comfortable in this motorcycle. Okay. My footrests are big. They got also metal tooths from inside. That is normally for the model the Adventure. This is the normal. We prefer the rubber. I feel very comfortable. The point is that this is going a bit out, so if I want to stand in the bike to passing from a dirt road, especially in the Adventure model, I have a problem because my knee is hitting here. We got a nice steppers with rubber also for Georgia and a nice position of riding. So Georgia, please come. Oh, the material is very good. Also we got a space down of the seat. Also we got a USB connection here. Nice things. I have a good view back from the mirrors. Let's say I have a everything it's easy here, but a bit of cheap. And anyway, I feel comfortable. Georgia, do you feel comfortable?
It's royal.
Royal!
Yes, it is royal. It's soft, the seat. It's a very nice position. I feel very good.
So we have a bike that is very comfortable for both of us.
Yes, yes, of course.
Nice. Okay. And the hot bar, it's okay, it's open
Look
nicely.
at those steppers.
Okay, what we got here? This is a familiar clock for Benellis. Here is the RPM counter. We have Hubliblicka here. We got a kilometer counter here that is changed from miles to kilometers from here. You see now it's on kilometers. You see that this motorcycle has got total 4,600 kilometers. Also it's got trip A, trip B, it's got fuel counter, and anyway, all those are enough. I don't think that you need something else. It's okay. Okay, stiletto key. Okay, let's start this engine. And sounds good, yes, sounds perfect. The gearbox, not even a click, more than a perfect. We go. So, let's see what about this cycle. Can we change easily directions? Yes, it's an easy bike. You can control it easy. Let's see now the brakes, because in town are not so good. Okay, here it's okay. Now let's see the performance. 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 There is no performance. That's it. Technically what we got here, we got a parallel twin 4-stroke LC double overhead camshaft with a 4 valves per cylinder that give us 48 horses at 8,500 RPM, and in 4,500 RPM give us 45 Nm. We got 6-speed gearbox, and what else we got? We got 210 kilos, all the motorcycle dry. Those 48 almost horses are enough for this motorcycle? No, it is not. So finally the bike is weak. We got one trick that the back gear is big, so all the gears are changed very fast. On, we finish. So with 80 kilometers, we got something like a 4,000 or 5,000 RPM and last gear. Good trick inside the city. Maybe too much for inside the city, but for outside of the city we got a problem with a top speed that is not enough. Anyway, this is not a problem for some people, this is a problem for some others. You choose. Anyway, this is the engine. Economical, supported by this frame that is a scale style, metal made. Not bad at all, I like it, it's compact and help a lot this motorcycle in cornering. What we got here? We got a nice windscreen that protects me. Lights, LED and normal. Also LED flash, a good fender with airways, nice mud guard with protection for my fork. This fork is amazing, 50, fat one, take a look. Fat one. I have a protection for my cooler, and I have 2-disc brake with 4-piston caliber, beautiful floating brakes from Benelli, very beautiful, and also a single piston caliber back. This is the last model, the Euro 5, and you cannot disconnect the ABS. So the brakes are not so good, and they are not so good not because it's any problem with the brakes, but because the ABS is not good at all. In the older model that you disconnect the ABS, then okay, the fork is do a perfect work with those brakes. So that's it. Quality. By the one hand, we got this nice windscreen. with these nice bars inside. We got those protection here with aluminum part and good plastic, very good looking, very good also. We got this lovely gel in the seat, so soft and fat, lovely things. We got those handles here. We got this back fork that looks very nice, especially from this side. We got those steppers, and by the other hand we got hard plastics everywhere that they will break easily. The paint, it's okay. The logos, the logos. We got also those cheap buttons, and the brake, the foot brake is not in so good position. Finally, what I believe for this motorcycle, the quality of this motorcycle is not the best possible. Finally, by the one hand, we got a motorcycle that is beautiful, is well equipped, is cornering nicely, it's got good brakes. Yes, comfortable for one or two riders, and also it's economical by the one hand. By the other hand, we got a bike that the ABS is not good at all. The engine is not enough at all, and the quality of the product is got some points that is not so good at all. So, Georgia, and the point is, anyway, if you are a beginner and you are going now in motorcycle, or if you are an old-timer that is come back in motorcycle and you just need just a simple motorcycle, this is a good choice for you. If you are experienced rider and you want a powerful motorcycle, for sure is not this bike for you. Okay?
Okay.
Georgia, what is your opinion about this motorcycle?
Well, if you are a girl, it is perfect for you, this motorcycle, because it's soft, it is not very tall, it has everything you need in a motorcycle. But if you want power, you don't have power, it's okay. I liked it.
I don't.
It's beautiful. Look, beautiful.
So, I don't know if we help you a lot, because as you understand, Georgia like it, this motorcycle, and I don't. But it's okay. Georgia is, let's say, the...
No. What do you want to say? Don't say it.
I like it. It's a very good motorcycle, perfect in every level. There is no something wrong in this motorcycle, Georgia.
Yes, you
So, ladies and gentlemen, this is Ioannis and Georgia for Κόκκινα Φεγγάρια Motorcycle Rock Show. Thanks for watching us.
Φύγε τώρα, άσε με εδώ, μια χαρά είναι το μοτοσυκλετάκι αυτό.
Το μοτοσυκλετάκι.
Στρίβει κιόλας, πάει έτσι, μιλάμε, δεν τον νοιάζει καθόλου, ωραίο πράγμα. Ξεκινάει με Δευτέρα Τρίτη.
Σιγά μη σου βάζω υπότιτλους. Είδες, με ένα χαμόγελο τα κλείνω όλα.
Να βάλεις. Άντε.